Hello, my name is Cecilia Cheney, and this is my website. So I'm using this website as a resource for leadership skills and just like to help me with my future with leadership and coaching. I'm 21, I'm from New Orleans, and yeah, here's my link to my blog, and this is my homepage. Also, if you want to know a little bit about me, this is my biography, and here's a picture of me. And yeah, so that's my biography. My personal choice, these are just some of the examples or websites that I use. Like, I've clicked on this sometimes. I've coached in the past, and my coach before has given me resources that have helped her just with insight on like how to use coaching skills and how to apply your leadership skills to coaching and just how it'll be effective. Here's some YouTube videos that she also recommended to me that I've used before in the past. And then just some, like, I use Moodle and Netflix, just things that I can easily get to, that I can just go to my website for. And for my resources, I have my Wakelet, and the subcategory, this is also just a couple of links that I've used for strategies on teaching and coaching skills as well. And then I have my other subpage, the Wakelet and the Wiki. So this is my Wakelet, and then this is another Wakelet that I found. And basically this guy, he posts tips and tricks, and he posts his own coaching styles that he uses and that he thinks are effective. And he also has like his game plans and things that are personal for him, but I think that it helps to like go off of other people's, because that's how you learn. And then I have technology projects, and this is my slideshow, and this was sports that have a special meaning to me, because I think that the whole reason this inspired sports is the whole reason why this website was inspired. And without that, I wouldn't have found my passion with wanting to coach. So all of these sports that I did the theme show on have something to do with like leadership and just how it inspired me. And then under that, I have my digital story, and this is another passion of mine. I love like artists and singing and stuff, and I'm inspired by their like work ethic and their drive. And I think that's, as an athlete, that's also something that you need to have. So you can click on here if you want to see that. And then I have my mobile app, and I did the QR code reader, and just I put how it was helpful to use as a teacher and how it's effective. And then I have PLN and then PLE, and these are my reflections, and here's my chart. And this is another chart that I did, and it just has, you can click on the links that has the examples, and then the reflections you can scroll up to back here. And then website evaluations, I did a website that kids can use. It's an educational purpose. I'm just fascinated how like kids learn, and I think that that's another way you have to understand kids to be a leader. I think that's very important, and I am inspired to work with kids as well. That's kind of my age range. So I just evaluated the website on how it's accessible for kids, and then how teachers are able to use it in their classroom. And then I have, under that, I have evaluations, and I don't have anything under that yet. And the Apple teacher certification, and then that's just blank, and hopefully I can add to that in the future and get certified. But yeah, that is my website. and I hope that you enjoy.